Personnel Management Workspace monitors worker transitions and statuses. It also provides an overall view of recently hired workers, workers leaving the company, as well as any workers on leave. Furthermore, you can easily find employees and perform any necessary actions. The Summary section gives us multiple views of worker transitions. Each of these tiles drill down into a list where a user can view the full detail of a worker record and perform any necessary actions. The first tile displays our recently hired workers. By clicking on the tile, we will be brought to the recently hired workers list. This provides a full list of our recently hired workers, and from here we can access the worker detail record to add any additional information. The second tile contains pending workers. Selecting this tile would display a list of any workers with a future hire date. Exiting workers contains a list of workers that have a termination date in the future. The Summary section also contains any work items that are associated to the user, as well as a list of employees and contractors for the company. Lastly, the Summary section contains a tile for the open positions, creating a quick and easy way to see where headcount is needed. The second section of the Summary area contains multiple tabs. Each of these tabs provide a quick preview of the workers in each group. As I click through each of the tabs, the actions that I can take change based on the group that I am in. This creates a quick and easy way to manage common worker actions from a single form. One of the most common tasks HR performs is finding a worker in the system. By entering a portion of the worker's name, a list of potential matches is displayed. Notice that if I enter in the name John, multiple records are displayed, as well as the title, which helps to further identify the correct individual that I'm looking for. Once I have selected the correct worker, I have a list of options that I can perform within this list. If more information is needed, you can select the worker name and drill into the full record. However, for those times when a quick piece of data needs to be provided, the Employment Verification slider provides a simple way to navigate to this data. Also, as I navigate through each of the tabs, the detail presented on the worker card changes. For example, in the Pending and Recent Hires tab, the start date is displayed. However, as I go to the On Leave tab, the dates that the employee is on leave and returning are displayed. Also, the FMLA Leave tab will show whether the leave has been approved or not. We recognize that FMLA data is sensitive, and therefore only users with FMLA security rights will be able to view the detail associated to the individual's leave. Lastly, we provide a tab for the exiting workers. Note that this shows the date that the worker will be leaving the company, giving further insight into that process. The third section of the Summary area shows a list of open positions. The benefit that this list provides in the workspace is the ability to quickly assign a worker to an open position without having to navigate to the position detail form. Again, simplifying the management of employee transitions by keeping those moves in a single form. The Analytics tab provides a display of Power BI reports that focus on workforce demographics as well as worker transitions. Lastly, we have links to other areas of the product that are relevant to the setup and management of the workforce, such as the department and job forms. In closing, the Personnel Management Workspace provides a single place to manage employee transitions as well as viewing employee leave information. The navigation is simple and provides a dynamic way to search for employees and quickly perform any necessary tasks.